Hello everyone, my name is David, and in this video I want to show you how to create a US address, a verified US address that can receive items for you, inform you, and also ship it to your local country, your local address. So the name of the company is Shipito. I'm going to leave a link in the description of this video. So click on that link, it will take you to this page. Now what you need to do once you get here is to click on Shipito for business or for me. Now if you want to register as an individual, you can click on Shipito as an individual. That's Shipito for me. If you want to register for your business, you can click on Shipito for business. You can just go up here and click on sign up. Just click on the sign up button. Now what this company does, it will create an address for you in the USA. Now this address, you can use it to receive mail, you can use it to receive packages. And once you receive any package or any mail in that address, the company will receive it in your name and then send you an email telling you that you have received a social package. So if you now want, let's say for example, if it's a letter or something that you want just the information in it, you can tell them to scan it and send it to you soft copy. Now there may be a fee, or it might be free of charge depending on the person, the time that you requested it, or depending on the company. Now if it's a physical item that you need to be sent to your local address, go ahead and tell them to send it to your local address. They will tell you the shipping fee. You pay the shipping fee and the product will be shipped to you. Now to create this account is free. Is free of charge. The only time you're going to pay is when you have a product to be sent. Okay, when you have a product that needs to be sent to you, that's when you're now going to have to pay for that product, or you upgrade to your premium membership. But to sign up for the account is free. Just go ahead and select the free option. Select free, that's the single package standard membership. Select it, enter your name. Now you're gonna enter your name, your email address, your country. My name is David. Enter David Nwaeze. My country. Sorry. I'm gonna select my country. Right now I'm in Nigeria. Let me select Nigeria. Select Nigeria. I'm gonna select my email address. Okay. I'm gonna select my email. Then I'm gonna select my password. Now, I already have an account before, but I'm gonna create another account just for the sake of this video. I'm gonna create an account to show you how it's done. Okay, so let me try that again. Okay, that should do it. Okay, good. That should do it. Then your referral option, referral code. Now if you click on the link that is in the description, this referral code will be added here automatically. But if you don't have if it doesn't show up automatically, I'm gonna also leave the referral code. I will write it out for you so that you can enter it here. It's optional anyway, but it's also good to recognize the person that showed you this video, this how to do it. So it doesn't take anything from you. It doesn't take any money from you or anything, just to recognize the person. So enter the referral number here. I will provide it in the description of this video. Now check on this button. I said I want to receive email about new Shipito services info and special offer. This is important. Let's say they have an information that will benefit you, they will send it to you. If there is any message, you will receive it. So once you're done with that, click on create account. Okay, so this password must contain a special character. Okay, you can add special character to it. Okay. You can add special characters like naira sign, dollar sign, euro sign. Those are special characters. You add it to make your password stronger. So make sure everything is correct. Click on create account. Now your account is being created. The system is going to create it. Now after you've created your account, a US address is going to be automatically assigned to you. Now it said check your email. We've sent a message to your address. So go ahead and check your email. I'll check my email right now. Let me check my email to verify that the address, that will be an email. Let's load. Sorry for the delay. My network is not that fast. So, all right, as you can see, my email, they've sent me an email. You can see Shipito here. They've sent me an email. Go ahead and click on it to open the email. All right, so we've opened the email. So thank you for creating a Shipito account. Hi, David Nwaeze. We are so happy to have you join. So go ahead and click on confirm email address. Once you click on that button and say confirm email address, your email address will be confirmed. Now, once you've confirmed that email, let's move this to the other type. Okay, so let's move this here. We're loading the confirmation email to verify our email address. So loading. Okay, good. They say we are glad you're here, David. Activate account. Now that our email have been confirmed, we now need to click on activate account. Click on it and your account will be activated. Once your account is activated, you'll be assigned a US address. Now with that address, you can easily use it to you can use that address to receive packages in the US. Now let's enter our details. Go ahead and enter the email and password you use in creating your account. Now, go ahead and enter those details. You remember the password you use in creating an account, right? So enter it here. Enter it. Once you've done that, click on login. You go ahead and click on login. All right, so here we've logged in into our account. This is a new account that we just created. If you scroll down here, you see your Shipito address. Use your Shipito address at checkout. Now, this address would have just been created for me right now. As you can see, 444 Alaska Avenue, Suites, this number, Torrance, this CA means California. This code is your postal code. This is the country, USA. Now, if you have any, let's say you are creating a Stripe account or you are registering a business in the US and you want the request for a US address, go ahead and enter this address. This address is specifically for you, especially this suite number. This is what indicate that is particularly your particular account. So any package that is sent to this address right now, you'll be contacted by email and you'll be contacted and said, okay, we have a package for you. How do you want to receive it? You can now, they will give you options of how to receive it. You select the one that is easier for you. As you can see, very easy. You've created your account. Easy, you can copy your address here. Can ship from anywhere as long as it's USA. They need a US address. Just go ahead and enter this address. It's yours. So as you can see, it's very simple and straightforward. You've created a US address, a legit US address. Okay, not those fake generator that you do online. Don't do that. As long as it has to do with you are getting a US address, don't do that. You can get it for free using this particular method I've shown you right now. So go ahead and share this video with your friends. Share it on your social media accounts so that all your friends will get this account. It's free. It doesn't take much. Let all your friends have their own US address. It's very important. It's very important. Okay. So share this video with everyone. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to this channel so that you can receive more videos like this, how to create such accounts like this so that your business online will be easier. Doing things online will be easier because I do share tips like this and how to do things. It will help you grow online as a person as well. So go ahead right now, subscribe and like this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Like I said before, share this video. It's very important that other people see it as well. So with that being said, I think we've covered everything. So go ahead right now and start using this address, and I'll see you in the next video.